Our customer came to us with damage on her Audi A4 e-tron. After being quoted for a new door, a 2-week wait, and a bill of over £2,000 for the repair, she found Craft PDR on Google and decided to give us a try. We got to work using advanced paintless dent repair techniques, and after 9 hours of careful craftsmanship, we saved the original door. No paint, no trace of the accident. The best part? She had her car back before Christmas. Another happy customer thrilled with a fast, flawless repair. Need your car fixed? Book a free assessment with us today.